2012 Kia Sorento alternator. Alright, this is the rundown. Tensioner pulley, 17-inch bolt. You probably can't see it. You gotta take the compressor, put it to the side. Oh boy, you gotta just shove it to the side of the oil filter out the way. Then loosen the top bolt on the alternator. 14, both of them 14 millimeter. But the alternator won't come out the way, won't move unless you take the bracket off. Right here, AC bracket, the whole AC, the bottom bolts of the AC. It go right there, bolts to the bottom of the oil pan. So take them 5 bolts out. The alternator drop right down. But I just got this oil thing, so it won't dent the pan as much. But you can check. Gotta take the motor mount. 17. Move that out the way. Inject the motor as far as it can go. Alternator slide right out.